topic.
Last problem.
You need?
Yes.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, we can do it fast and finish it off now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
last problem. Subtract the sum.
Yes.
Very easily.
Muted. Whose audio not muted? Somebody's audio not muted. Subtract the sum of 72.612 and two problems. Only one problem is there. Only one main. No need of two mains.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Very good morning, very good afternoon, very good evening, very good night.
You should add 72. First step you write.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning. Yes, first one you have to find the sum.
Sum total.
72.612
Plus
plus
6.489.
6.489.
Ma'am, we can find it ourselves.
Yes, you can find it yourself.
Yes, I found it by adding it.
Yes, 489. What is the answer you got? Vaishali, can you tell
Ma'am,
me?
79.101.
Yes, 70. 9 plus 7, 16. 8 plus 0, 7. So the answer is 79.106. 79.106. Is it correct?
Excuse me, ma'am. In this excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, what is the next step?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you tell the page number?
What is the page number I should see now?
Excuse me, ma'am.
73.
72.617 or 2.
Yes.
In the first question, 72 point.
I'm 73 only, 73.
Which one? Question?
Ma'am, page number 73.
Page
Ma'am,
number.
sum total 72.612, right?
Yes, ma'am. 72.612. No, not 7.
Not 7.
Where?
So, 1 only there will
Ma'am,
be.
the question is
Yes.
72 point.
Ma'am, that question finished.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
that is really 2 only. So, it will be 1 there.
So you will get it as
79.101.
is the disturbing there. Sum is equal to 72.612 plus
Yes, ma'am.
489.
6.489.
79.101.
Yes. 9 plus 2, 11.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is this the starting?
Huh?
Ma'am, is this the first question?
Yes, first question. Now is it correct? 79.101. Is it correct
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
From the subtract, next one, second sum you have to write.
Sum total.
Second sum. Somebody not muted. Pranav, did you mute?
Rina.
Who? Rina, please mute.
Rina was unmuted. Now she muted.
92.708 plus 8.314. Correct numbers are correct?
Yes, ma'am.
101.0.
022.
Correct answer?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely,
Yes, ma'am.
I got correct.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you should do? What is the next step?
Subtraction.
Next one, difference.
Subtract. Difference.
Shall I rub it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Difference
101.022 subtracted by
2022 minus
79.101.
17.
Yes, ma'am.
9.
Ma'am,
1.
20.921. 20.921. Hello, ma'am. Hello? Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Your sound is...
Uh,
Yes, ma'am. Your sound is low.
Yes, wait, I am not telling now. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 9, 1.
Yes.
So 21.921.
Yes, ma'am. Indeed.
The answer is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, correctly.
Not
Yes,
necessary.
ma'am.
Finished now? All of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
So 22 problems are also finished now.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes. Who is that, Rina?
I got.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we start the next topics?
Yes,
And
ma'am. We can
and
start the
finish.
next topic.
We can start the next topic. Workbook problems we can do in the next class. Okay. So first heading you write decimals 2. Second heading decimals 2. Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
Rina Navaiga finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one you write decimals 2. Decimals 2.
Ma'am, new chapter.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
are you showing the pictures or writing on the board?
I will write. Let me. I will. Till you are writing this, I will be doing the. I will on this and keep.
Okay, ma'am.
So what we are going to do it multiplication of decimals.
Yes, ma'am.
division
Ma'am,
also.
divisionals I have studied.
Yes.
I have studied.
Before you are talking, I will on this and keep so that it will be easy for you. So if you want to multiply, there are 2 types of multiplication of decimals. Only with the, if you want to multiply a decimal with any complete number or any other number, you do as usual. First I will tell the problems.
Yes, ma'am.
After I will show you the examples. If you want, you studied this multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you study?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you
In
studied. Now.
third, fourth, the second class.
Can you show that board?
Yes, I will tell the problems now. First one, just let us see how much is there afterwards. How much you are knowing afterwards, I will go for the problems. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Decimals, multiplication of decimals, you can write and keep the heading. Example also you write
What's
and
the
keep.
symbol that's there in the PPT?
Which one? Big
What
one?
is the symbol?
Simple.
Yes.
Design.
Chinese symbol.
Simply one design, that's all.
Chinese
Ma'am, can you show the first page?
statue.
Riding cycle.
Yes, yes.
Decimals, multiplication of decimals, heading.
Ma'am, will you show the second?
Yes, next one. Example, multiply the following decimals.
Yes, ma'am. We will
Where
do.
are the problems?
Yes.
Ma'am, I will do.
You will do. Wait. So for example, if you want to multiply any 2 numbers, for example, now 1.5 into 2. How many decimals are there in the first one? I mean,
One.
after the decimal, how many digits are there? Only one
One.
digit after the decimal.
Decimal.
Okay, please
Yes,
listen.
ma'am.
Please don't say anything now in between. Let them listen. Okay. After the decimal, there is only one digit.
What, ma'am?
1.5. What is the first number?
1.5.
1.5. After the decimal, how many digits are there?
1.
After the decimal, only one digit is there. If you want to multiply these numbers, you multiply, remove the decimal. No need of seeing the decimal.
Yes,
15
ma'am.
into 2
Ah,
is 10
remembering,
multiplied.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We know it.
5 2s are 10. 1 into 2.
30. 3.0.
When the money
3.0, ma'am. Ma'am, 3.0.
Yes, don't say the answer. No, wait. So after the decimal, after this, you have to remove only one decimal. 30 is the answer you got. After zero, from right to left, one decimal you have to remove. How many? No, so what? How will you write?
3.0.
3.0 is the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
understood fully.
I
Did you study
understood
this?
fully before it. Yes.
Yes,
Did you
money
study?
chapter. Money chapter.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Not
ma'am.
money. Before
Yes.
that chapters also we have studied it.
One more example I will give you, and I will give these problems. 2.25 into 3.
225 into 3.
So 225 into 3 you have to multiply. 3 into 5, 15.
15.
Carry
3 into 2, 6.
6
Plus 1, 7.
Where you will put the decimal?
Ma'am, 6.75.
6.75.
6.75.
Because here total digits are 2. So you have to put the decimal after 2
2
digits.
digits on side.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no doubt about it.
No doubt.
Ma'am, I studied about that into 10 into 100 and all.
Then, if you want to multiply 1.5
1
into
point.
10. 10 is easy to multiply. You have
Yes,
to remove one decimal and write. So how will you write it? This is 50.
15. 15 in.
150.
150 will not come
No,
because
it will not come.
15 into 10 you can
15 into
multiply
10.
0, 0, 5 and
5, 1.
Where you will put the decimal?
150.
150 it will come. Where you will put the decimal?
1 point. 1 point.
1.50.
0.
So,
0.
so if you want to multiply with the 10, only you have to remove one decimal. So what is the answer? You will get 15. 1.5 into 10. If you are multiplying with the 10, you have to, okay, we can do with the other numbers and go for 10. Because
Ma'am, can you show the first page?
yes. We can go first one afterwards. This one only?
No, ma'am, before that.
The decimals. This is only heading. Decimals, multiplication of decimals. Okay,
Ma'am,
we can-
activity February 16th, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
I mean, the examples, where are the questions?
Questions I will give
You are giving only, or it's there in the PPT?
No, it is there in the PPT because you are knowing that. So I will do the problems directly now.
PPT. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it audible?
Ma'am, you can share.
Yes, first problem you can write
12.6.
12.6 into 2.
I didn't understand this one.
Yes, 12.6 into 2. If you want to multiply, you write 12.6, don't see the decimal there.
Ma'am, 25.2.
Yes, Srishankar, please mute.
Same answer, ma'am.
126 into 2 you have to multiply.
25.
2 into 6 how much?
252.
12. Carrying is 1. 2 into 2 4. 4
4
plus 1 5.
2 into 1, 2. 25.2.
How many decimals are there? After the decimal, how many
Ma'am,
digits?
2, 25.2.
How many decimals after 25.2?
25.2.
25.2. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
As usual, you multiply. And how many digits are there after the decimal? Start
can you share
removing
the board?
Yes. Start removing the decimal from right to left. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
Because after the decimal, only one digit. So you have to write.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Ma'am, I also. Sri Shankar.
Somebody asked you.
First problem you write now. Copy the first problem.
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Copy it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Rasil, 21.5 into 3. How will you write? Ephraim? Others
1 5 into 3.
Srishankar, please mute. How will you write now, Ephraim?
Ma'am, can you say the question?
21.5 into 3.
21, 2 and
I'm
5.
64.5.
215 into 3.
3. Then
64.5.
Then ma'am,
3 into 5, 15.
64.5.
6. Then after how many decimal you will put the after
64.
Ma'am, 2
Two,
ma'am.
two.
After 2.
after one decimal you have to remove the decimal from here. One digit you have to write the 64.5.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear now, Efrain?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, any doubt? Ritan, on your video, Joel, Ahil, Pooja, any doubt? No doubt. Did you
No, ma'am.
understand, Pranav? Any doubt?
Ma'am, second question also I got the correct answer.
Third question.
Mama,
we
you
can
got third, second also. All correct.
21.4 into 21.1
21.
into 4. 21.1 into 4. So
Ma'am,
211 you
8
can
point-
multiply with 4.
Yes, ma'am. 84.
4. Where you will put the decimal? 84 point,
84 point. Yes.
84.4.
4.
Is it clear? Any doubt?
No doubt.
Yeah, ma'am.
We all
No doubt.
understood.
Understood.
Yes,
Shall we go
ma'am.
to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If there are 2 digits, you have to remove 2 decimals. 14.3,
Ma'am, will you share third question?
143 into 5.
21.1 into 4.
Ma'am, 7.
Just wait.
Ma'am, 71.5.
Yes.
Right?
Okay, ma'am, finish.
Okay, shall we go to the next one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
can you show the before page? I didn't finish.
Okay, I will show the next before page.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 71.5, right? That one.
Yes.
That one for
Yes, ma'am,
1.43.
71.5.
1.43 into 5.
They're in the board itself.
Not that. I do myself only.
Yes, ma'am. Very good. Very good.
Finished now? Efrain,
All do their self only.
Ma'am, is
Ma'am,
this,
can you
is
make
this
it some more
decimal
bigger?
too?
bigger I will make it.
Ma'am, will you share next?
Finished, ma'am.
Finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I also.
ma'am, will you
Ma'am,
share
my
the next?
fourth answer finished.
Fourth one also finished.
Ma'am, my fourth one answer is correct.
Correct.
So my also not correct.
Will you keep
Nice.
quiet? Will you keep quiet, all of you?
Ma'am, I also got all correct.
Yeah.
14.3, so 143 you should multiply with 5.
Yes, ma'am. 3 into 5, 15.
315.
4 into 5 into 4, 20 plus 1, 121.
So you have to
5
remove
to 1, 5
the decimal.
plus 2, 7. 21.
Please, Shankar, please mute.
Ma'am, I got correct answer.
Correct answer.
Hi.
52.3 into 3, next one. So 523 into 3 you can multiply. 156.9.
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Same answer, you got it.
Yes, ma'am, I also.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
So shall we, any doubt there?
No, ma'am.
No
And
doubt.
we understood that multiply the following decimals.
Multiply the
Ma'am,
following.
will you share the fifth question?
Which one?
Fifth question.
Just wait, 1 minute.
Ma'am, but you said about 10, right? 2 digits.
Yes.
Minute.
10 is 1 digit only.
10 is 1 digit.
I will make it bigger because I want.
No, 2 digits, but 0, 1 digit only. 0, 1. So you should put it in can.
Ma'am, can you teach us that? I forgot that.
Fourth one over,
I
third
will
one
not
over,
forget.
finish.
Yes, ma'am. Fifth one over.
Fifth one also finished.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you teach us that 10 into 10?
with the 10, okay.
10, 100 and 1000
wait,
like
wait,
that.
wait.
Yes.
forgot that.
Ma'am,
Finished all of you now?
I'm not remember.
the question it's
Yes.
Ma'am, will you make summer bigger?
ma'am, in the fifth question, the answer is 15.69, right?
No, 156. No,
No,
no.
56. 51, 52.
52.
Because it
3
is
3s
52.
are 9.
Point.
2 into 3, 6. 5 3s are 15. So 156.9.
Yes, ma'am, same answer.
Only one decimal after, only one digit after the decimal.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
here power failure. So my laptop has 22% of charge. So
Yes.
I'm going to leave, okay?
Eh? But you can put the plug and charge it, right? And
Power fail.
Yeah, electric
But
fan.
you can still stay. No, it's
Yes.
22%.
22% is there. You can stay now.
my end all 15% it is there and I will be staying here.
Only 7 minutes.
Only 12 minutes.
What?
Yes, it is left to
You
you.
have
If
to
you want
charge
to-
your
will-
computer. Mine is on full.
You have to charge it by putting the plug.
84.4 you should multiply and you have to remove the decimal.
Small.
Shall we go to the next type?
Yes,
Multiplication
ma'am,
with 10.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, it is not there. It is. No. So if you want to multiply with the 10, for example, now 15.6 into 10.
This example we want to
By
write in the class
1.56. 1.56.
Whose
Ma'am, this
audio
is
not muted? 156 into 10 if you want to multiply 0, 0, 0, 6, 5, 1. 0, 6, 5. After how many digits you will put the decimal?
One.
One digit. So 156.0 you will get the answer. Yes. So now without multiplying, you can remove only the one decimal from right to left. So you will get it as 156 directly. No need of multiplying. You can write the answer as 156.
56.
Yes.
just remove that decimal
Just
point. Right?
remove the decimal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. All the
So no need to do the step.
No need of doing because only with the 10 hundreds only easy. Other problems is not possible.
And we can make that
Okay,
decimal with another. That
Next one.
we should do.
17.25
Ma'am,
into
can you
10.
show that again, please? Can you show that again?
Which one?
Can you show that again?
15.10. 1.5 into 10.
Ma'am, we should write this.
No need of writing. No need of writing. Just I will give the problems.
Oh, just giving
Just listen.
problem.
Yes. So next one is 1.5 into 10. 15 into 10 you will
15
get it.
into 15 only.
0, 0 into 0, 0. This is the step you should do it.
But
So
I
0,
am
5. Again, you will have to put the decimal after one digit.
1.5.
So you will get it as 15. Instead of that, without multiplying, if you want to do it, you remove one decimal. So you will get the answer as only 15. Without multiplication.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
it is with the 10, not with the other numbers. Only with the 10, hundreds and 1000. This is the easy method
Yes,
of
ma'am.
multiplying.
Ma'am, but I am doing another
Next one.
textbook.
1.15 into 10. How much you will
Ma'am,
get?
115.
115.
Yes.
No.
7.5.
11.5.
11.5. One decimal you have to remove like this. One after one. So 11.5. If you want to multiply with
To
the 10.
remove the decimal and 10 has only 1 0.
Yes.
So,
So we should can put that decimal.
Only one decimal you have to remove it.
Ma'am, but I am doing another.
I'm one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Now you are giving, we want to write in the class notes
No need of writing. I will give another problems now. If you are understanding. you can-
342.3.
What is the answer now?
342.3.
42.3.
How? With the 10 you are multiplying only one decimal.
34.23.
34.23.
23. Yes.
34.23.
23.
Is it clear,
Oh,
Pranav?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
didn't understand this one. This
I
problem.
understand all, ma'am.
1.5 into 10. So you remove one decimal. How much you will get this side? Right, you change one decimal. What is the answer you will get? 15.
15.
15.
Is it clear, this one?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, 3.42 into 10. How many decimals you have to remove? Only because you are multiplying with the 10.
One.
One decimal you have to remove to the left.
34.2.
34.2. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
After one
Yes,
decimal.
ma'am.
Next, 5.235 into 10. How will you write?
52.35.
52.35, because you are changing only one decimal here, because you are
ma'am.
multiplying with the 10. Pranav, are you following?
I can understand,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Oh.
3.5 into 100. How
Ma'am,
many decimals?
1 0.
0.35.
Yes. 1 decimal you have to remove, or you will get it as 300. 2 decimals you have to remove. So there is no 2 decimals. So what is the answer you will get? 350.
350.
Oh,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am. We should add 1 0.
1 0. Because 2 decimals you have to
There
remove.
is no place
There is
we
no
should
decimal
add
here. So you
zero.
have to add 1 0.
0.
Any doubt?
No, I didn't understand.
No, ma'am.
3.5 into 100 means how many decimals you have to, how many zeros
Ma'am, 1
are there?
0.
2 zeros are there. So
So
you have to
one we should
remove
add.
2 decimals there.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, 7.25 into 100. Now how will you write?
7.250. Not 0.
50.
72.50.
72
No need of here,
point.
2 decimals. Here already 2 digits are there. So 725. Here no need of adding zeros.
Yes, ma'am.
Still not understood.
No, ma'am, I didn't understand.
1.5
I understood.
into
I understood.
100. Okay. If you want to multiply with 100, how many
Zero.
decimals you will remove?
Ma'am, 1.
2
One.
decimals. 2 decimals you have to remove.
150.
So you will get
150.
15.
One
1
po-
decimal is
15.
not there. So 150.
Yes, ma'am. 150.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3.25. How many digits are there?
Ma'am, 2. 3.
2 digits are there. So you can write 325 only. No need of adding zeros there.
Yes,
Already
ma'am.
digits are there. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
7.432 into 100. How much you will get, Krishna? How much you will get?
Ma'am, 7432.
743.2.
22.
Any doubt?
No,
Ma'am.
yeah,
Oh,
ma'am, no
ma'am,
doubt,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Because
Ma'am, how can
73
it come?
74.32, I mean 7.432 is 4 digits and 100 is 3 digits. So we will add a point.
One. Here after 3 digits are there after the decimal.
Yes.
100 is there. So you have to remove 2 decimals.
Ma'am, can we give
ma'am.
another question like this?
Yes, one more.
Question.
I understood this,
5
ma'am.
You
point.
want to remove that decimals?
Yes, you have to remove the decimal.
560.
5.6 into 10. How much you will
560
get?
only. 560 only.
5.6 into 10. How much you will get?
5.6. 560. 1 0.
56.
See the question.
56.
56,
56.
56. Because only one digit you have to remove this side.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
6 into 100.
Ma'am, if it's
56.
5.0.
560. I 60 only.
56. We should add 0.
560.
You should add 0.
Yes, ma'am. 560.
Okay?
560.
Why, ma'am, we are adding 0?
Because 2 digits you have to remove. There is no digits there. So you have to add 1 0. 7.25 into 100.
725.
725. You have to remove
25.
the 2 decimals. No need of adding zeros there.
Ma'am, with 1,000 and all we can do
Next
10,000.
one. 1.7 into 1000.
Ma'am, 1.700.
If you are multiplying with 10,
7700.
17 it became
19,000.
17 zeros.
1,700. Half you understood or fully you
Fully,
understood?
ma'am, fully.
Half.
Fully.
Ma'am,
Fully,
about
ma'am.
1,000.
I understood fully. Fully
Yes,
understood. Fully understood.
1.7 into 1000. So 1 decimal if you are removing, 10 if you are multiplying, 17 it becomes.
1.70.
100 if you are
17.
multiplying, 170 it will become. 1000 if you are becoming. Next one.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Yes,
Ma'am,
now
I
you see now.
understood.
3.4 into 1000.
3400.
3,400.
3400.
3.3400.
Ma'am, is that after one digit decimal is there? That's why we are putting 2 zeros only.
Yes, because you should see 7.342 into 1000.
Ma'am, 7,342. 700.
Then no need of adding zeros. Here 3 digits are there.
Yes, so we can put 700.
7,342. 1 digit you removed for 1 zero, 2 digits you removed for 2 zeros, 3 digits you removed for 3 zeros. So 7342.
Yes,
Is it half understood or fully understood?
fully.
Now
Fully
I
understood.
I understood fully.
Okay, one more problem I will ask you now.
2 digits.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, after the decimal part, 2 digits can you give?
which one? For this number?
Yes,
1000?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1000. So here,
7,
1 zero
5,
means
0.
75.2.
1,075,520.
One more zero.
One more zero you should add
Yes, ma'am.
because here 3 zeros are there, so you have to write 3 digits. Remove 3 digits.
Yes, ma'am. Same only.
Here, half you understood or fully understood?
Ma'am, fully.
Fully understood.
Fully understood.
Fully understood.
Shall we go to the problems connecting this?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Let us see now problems are there or not. So next one, so this is a
Ma'am, the zero we are adding, the zero have any
Ma'am, if
value
it
in
is-
that?
Yes.
if you are changing, if 1750 means value is there for that. Okay,
Yes,
Okay,
value
ma'am.
is there.
multiplication with the tens.
Ma'am, I am also confusion in that question Vaiga
Which
said.
one? Tell me.
That is very easy question
That
only.
Vaiga said.
Which one?
That 0 has value in it. I didn't hear that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Which zero?
Ma'am, in the question we will add zeros, right? In the answer.
There's value
Yes.
is there for that.
Yes,
Because
value
you
is
are
there.
writing a complete number.
morning, ma'am.
Morning. Good
Who
morning.
is this now? Good morning.
She came now. Multiplication of decimals with the 10, hundreds and
Don't
1,000.
change the page.
yes. Multiplication of decimals with the 10, 100 and 1000.
Thank you, ma'am,
What? Thank you for what?
What? Thank you for what?
for showing it small.
Small? What small?
First time it
Somewhere
was
can you...
Still, shall I make it?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Can
Don't
you
rub it.
not be-
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes.
1 minute, ma'am.
Can she rub? She can change.
With 10,
Multiplication of decimals with the 10, 100 and 1000.
1,000. Yes, ma'am. It is.
I wrote it, ma'am.
Yes,
you
wrote it.
also-
No, wrote.
Wrote.
Finished.
Finished.
No, ma'am. Can you share? Do it again.
Yes, first one.
Ma'am, can you share the first page again?
15.
Please share the first
15,
page.
ma'am. 15. 15 is the answer.
Yes, wait.
Ma'am, in the next page, why is there first heading? There is multiply. After that, full questions. The one more heading is their examples. We want to write like that.
Which one? Next one.
Yes, next page. First, we have one heading multiply.
Yes, enough.
We
No,
want to
ma'am.
write again examples.
15 same only, ma'am. 15
1.5.
Ma'am, can you make it somewhat bigger?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, no, ma'am. This is enough. We can see from here itself.
But from
Ma'am, we should write again multiply.
Yes, multiply you write again.
Yes, ma'am. 15 only. Same answer.
1.5 into 10. You will get it as 15.
12.5. First one, 50.
Only one period you are having, not today. Otherwise, I could have finished.
Ma'am, tomorrow 2 periods are there. Tuesday.
No class. Republic Day.
Uh-huh.
The next one, 1.25 into 10.
Ma'am, 12.5. 12.5.
12.5.
Yes, ma'am. That
decimal you are
zero
removing?
we should change into 1. So
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, no need to do the steps, right?
No need. Just you write.
Okay, ma'am.
Only one, because 10 means you have to remove only one decimal. It is already understood for all.
I didn't understand that third question.
0
0.234.
0.234 into 10. So how many decimals you will remove here? 2.34.
2.34. It is very
Ma'am, what
understood.
is that third question? 0.2.
0.234 into 10. So how will you write it?
We want to remove
2.34.
one integral part.
Yes, which one?
We want
Yes.
to remove
Ah.
the integral
You are,
part.
you are writing the decimal here. No, after one digit. So it will become 2 point. Integral part came there now. Only decimal part was there.
Decimal. Whole part. I don't know.
256.5.
2565. See,
2500.
Ma'am, in the third question, before the 1 point is there.
yes, ma'am. That's
Point.
10.
That means 0
We should
point.
add to it. It's right. It's right. So
0.3234 into 10. So one decimal you have to remove. That means 2.34. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Third question, we are writing the decimal point. In the last question, we didn't put one decimal point.
Where?
Ma'am, in the last question,
This one?
we write decimal point.
The 2, it will come as decimal point you removed. Only one digit is there after here.
yes,
So
ma'am.
256.5 into 10. One decimal you removed.
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
became a complete number, 2565, that's all. 0.0 it will come if you want, not necessary.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clearly.
Only
Ma'am,
one.
I did not understand the fourth one.
This is the fourth one.
Yes.
256
256.5 into
into
10.
10. Okay. How many
That one-
decimals you have to remove?
Ma'am, 1 only. So
One
it will be
decimal you have
complete
to remove.
2500.
Ma'am, from
Left
the
side.
left we want to
Remove one decimal. So how much it became?
2500.
2500.
65.
from the left we want to remove
Ma'am,
the
we should put decimal point, right?
0.0. If you are writing no value for it.
Ma'am, can you show me how do you get to 200? The third question.
256.5 into 10. You multiply 0, 0, 0, 0. 5, 6, 5, 2. 0 you will get, 5 will get, 6, 5. Where you will put the decimal?
0.
After the decimal. So what is the value here?
2565.0.
2565.0. The 0 no need of writing there because no value for 0.
We can
Yes,
simply
ma'am.
write that. That's ma'am teaching us.
Okay? This is the way
Okay,
to
ma'am.
Understood it
multiply.
is already.
But instead of multiplying, you can find it very easily. Only just remove one decimal. That's all. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Ma'am.
we can go for 100.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the question I understood that we want to remove the 10th place of the decimal part into integral part. Is that like that?
Tens or tenets?
Ten.
Decimal part or integral?
GENTHS.
Tenets.
Not 10.
Decimal part?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Into integral part. So it will be the answer of 10.
Power failure.
No, ma'am. No. Ma'am will come now.
Ma'am, I think so. It is like that.
Yes. What in the thunder hard copy? Thunder. No.
In the 100 also. Yes.
Our failure.
For failure.
Yeah, right.
Abhishek. Oh my lord. Abhishek become the host.
Why you call?
Abhishek had become so many times the host.
Tomorrow class is there.
I don't know.
10.
Yes. I thought yes. If it is Republic Day, also class will be there.
No Republic Day holidays.
Srishankar.
Hello, what? Who called me?
Did you
study your activity?
Study your
Study your
No.
activity?
No, I didn't start.
I did not start.
I
I
didn't
did not start. I did not. I will
I
start.
also did not start.
I will start tomorrow or today. Today or tomorrow. Otherwise,
I
nothing.
will start tomorrow. It is holiday or I don't know holiday. It will be class.
Today I will
Tomorrow is
collect
holiday.
the
only.
names of the
So
animals.
I will
to
be
write.
doing tomorrow.
Today I will take the names of the animals to write in the assignments.
10 animals, right?
20 animals.
Is there any message from
No.
No,
Sri Shankar?
no message.
What?
Ma'am told the three
What
columns.
kind of-
First column, type of animal. Second column, what? The second column.
Second column. You should write 3 animals. Carnivores, herbivores.
Type of animal. First one, type of animal.
From 20, we should write 5 like that.
So
way.
first we want to write names of animals and write the 20 animals name. After that, 3 columns we want to make. Herbivores, carnivores, like that.
Like ma'am told about circles.
No. Just columns.
First column, type of animal. Third column, fraction.
Number of
Column, can you tell anybody?
Third column, omnivores. Any animals you can write.
Yes.
second column number of animals.
Animals.
We want to draw 20 boxes or one circle. We want to divide into 20 parts. And we want to choose one color for herbivores, one color for
Carnivores.
like that. And we want to color how much a number of animals are there, and we want to color it in that.
You should write the fraction also.
Yes, that was before that.
It is time finished.
No,
Yes.
we can see.
No.
Ma'am is not there. Then how can?
Otherwise, ma'am is saying we can do.
Hello.
Ma'am was there. I can end.
Abhishek become the.
Now
Ma'am send message.
What? You
What?
can leave.
Dear children, you can leave the class now.
Okay, thank you.
Everybody.
Thank you,
thank you,
everybody.
ma'am.
Wonderful
Merry
session for us.
Republic Day. Merry
Can I
Republic.
end? Can I end?
1 minute. Merry Republic Day.
Merry Republic Day to everybody. Bye bye.
Happy and
Jai
merry.
Hind.
Okay, bye.
Jai Hind.
Not Jai Hind.
We
Thank you.
can say in the next class also. Bye.
Janaganamana,
Yes,
Jai
yes.
Hind. Jai India. India will be always the first country.
We can say in the last class.
Last
Jai
class.
Can I end?
Yes. Thank you.